All right, my screen shorted out, but the video is still saved, so I'll just splice those two videos together. What I was saying is, when we're making the piecewise function for the velocity graph, we've already done this section because it was easiest. We already did this section because it was pretty fine. Now let's look from 3 to 7. So if we extended this line, we would see that the y-intercept is 2. The slope is 1/3. So x over 3 plus 2 is the line. Sounds good. And then this last section, we're going to do it the other way I was talking about by using point slope formula, just for fun. So we've got the 0.84 is part of it. We've got the 0.90 as part of it. And then let's do the work over here. Point slope formula is mx minus x sub 1 equals y minus y sub 1. I can just plug in my stuff. So my slope is -4. I'm going to pick this one because it's got a 0 in it. So -9 y minus 0, which means y equals -4 plus 36. -4x plus 36. Great. Again, I used my point slope form. I knew that the slope of this was -4 from this part of question 11. I'm going to use my easiest point. Always, always, always make life easy for yourself. And then I just get to plug in -4x plus 36. Great. Change colors. When was the runner going at a constant speed? Constant is always when there's a horizontal line. Horizontal line. So from here, it's from 7 to 8 seconds. If there was no horizontal line, there would be no constant speed. If there was something like this, there'd be no constant speed, right? This is a constant rate, but not a constant speed. It's an increasing speed, right? And then what was the total distance ran? This is the money question. Total distance given a velocity graph. This is when we find area. Oh, terrible. Area under velocity. Let's find the area. I'm going to section it into triangles because I think they're easiest to find. So we've got a triangle here, we've got a triangle here, we've got a triangle here, and the rest is just like kind of rectangle easy stuff. Okay, so this triangle first, the base is 3, the height is 3. And of course we're doing 1/2 base times height, not 1/3. That would be ridiculous. Okay, so total area is 1/2 base times height for this first triangle. So we filled in that one. 1/2 base times height for this triangle is 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times height for this triangle, 1/2 base times height. Y'all, this isn't 7. Don't let me lie to you. This is 6. I'll fix this in a second. But then we've got this one little square. We've got this is a 3x4 square. So I've done the 3 triangles, the one little box, and then the rectangle. And then that I'm just going to plug into my calculator, and I'm going to get a number that's 4.5 plus 1.5 is 6, plus 2 is 8, 9 plus 12 is 21 meters is the total distance run. And then what I just noticed, looking back, and we'll change it with black. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now we ask, all right, if we mess up on a problem, this was not intentional. It's late at night for me. If we mess up a problem, we want to go back and change things. How do we make sure that we've changed everything? Okay, well here, that's supposed to be a 7. This is supposed to be an 8. Right? This is a 6. This is a 6. This is a 7. This is a 7. This is an 8. We would change that here as well. And then again, I'm just going to copy it. I'm not going to think that through again. I'm just going to look over what's happening. This is shifted over 1, 6 to 7 seconds. And then the big one that's actually going to change is this equation. Right? We're going to have to erase this equation. We're going to do this over because this is no longer going to be a 9, but rather an 8. And this becomes a plus 32. So this is 4x plus 32 instead. All right, but everything I said otherwise still stands, right? So let me run back over. We've got a velocity. So this is a velocity graph. To find acceleration from a velocity graph, it's the slope. To find distance from a velocity graph, it's the area under the graph. Constant speeds are horizontal lines. And when you're finding a piecewise function, you're just finding the equation of all of these lines and then saying when we care about them, saying the subdomain that we're focusing on. All right, guys. I'll see you in class on Tuesday. Bye.